Can I add SmartCast to my Vizio TV? No, SmartCast cannot be manually added to a Vizio TV, as it is a built-in feature available only on specific Vizio Smart TV models. If your Vizio TV was manufactured in 2016 or later, it likely already has SmartCast pre-installed, allowing you to stream content, use Chromecast, AirPlay, and access built-in apps. However, older Vizio TVs that do not support SmartCast cannot have it added via software updates or app installations. 1. How to check if your Vizio TV has SmartCast. To determine if your Vizio TV supports SmartCast, press the V button or Home button on your remote. If the screen displays SmartCast Home, your TV already has SmartCast built in. If your TV only shows basic apps like Netflix and YouTube and lacks SmartCast Home, then it does not support SmartCast. Second, alternatives to SmartCast on older Vizio TVs. If your Vizio TV does not have SmartCast, you can still stream content using external devices. Google Chromecast. Plug in a Chromecast device to enable casting from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Amazon Fire Stick or Roku Streaming Stick. These devices offer Smart TV functionality with access to apps and streaming services. Apple TV Box. If you need AirPlay support, an Apple TV device can be connected via HDMI. HDMI connection. Connect a laptop or streaming device directly to the TV using an HDMI cable. 3. Upgrading to a Vizio SmartCast TV. If you want full SmartCast functionality, the best option is to upgrade to a newer Vizio Smart TV that comes with SmartCast built in. Newer Vizio models offer built-in Chromecast and AirPlay 2 for wireless streaming, access to streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube, smart home integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. 4. Using the Vizio mobile app for limited smart features. Even if your TV doesn't have SmartCast, you can try using the Vizio mobile app, formerly Vizio SmartCast Mobile. Download the Vizio mobile app on iOS or Android. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Use the app to cast content from your phone to the TV. Only works on some models. If your Vizio TV does not have SmartCast, you cannot manually install it. However, you can use external devices like Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Apple TV to achieve similar streaming capabilities. If you want full SmartCast functionality, upgrading to a newer Vizio Smart TV is the best option.